In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts to a campaign in Salesforce. We'll walk through this step by step so you can confidently manage your campaigns and make sure the right people are included. Feel free to follow along in your own Salesforce environment as we go. First, log into your Salesforce account as you normally would. Once you're on the main Salesforce home screen, look over to the left-hand side for the app launcher. This is usually represented by a grid or waffle icon. Click on that app launcher to open the list of available apps and items in your Salesforce instance. From the list that appears, start typing campaigns into the search bar if you don't see it right away. When you see campaigns in the results, click it. This will take you to your campaigns tab where you can see a list of all existing campaigns. Browse through the list or use the search and filter options at the top to quickly find the specific campaign you want to work with. Once you've located the correct campaign, click its name to open the campaign detail page. On the campaign page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Campaign Members. This is where all the contacts and leads associated with this campaign will appear. To add new contacts, look for the option that says Add Contacts within this section and click it. As soon as you do, a pop-up window will open. In this pop-up, you can search for and select one or more contacts you want to add to the campaign. You might see a search field or a list of recently used contacts. Use the search to type in names, then check the boxes next to each contact you want to include. When you're happy with your selection, click Next to move to the next part of the process. Now you'll set the member status for these contacts. The member status indicates where they stand in relation to the campaign. For example, whether they've been sent an email or responded. Choose the status that best fits how you plan to use this campaign. Under the option for updating existing campaign members, decide whether you want to keep their current status or override it with the new one you just selected. This is important if some contacts are already part of the campaign and you don't want to change their existing progress. Once everything looks correct, click Submit. Salesforce will process your selections and your new campaign members will be added. You should now see them listed under the Campaign Members section of that campaign. And that's it. You've successfully added contacts to a campaign in Salesforce.